Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do our top 5 cable bicep exercises. For our straight bar curl, let's grab the bar, pinch our shoulder blades back and have a good sturdy tight core, lock our elbows in, and from here, let's curl up towards the chest. Keep those elbows locked in. We don't want to be coming in like this, that's a whole different thing. So shoulder blades pinched, curl right up, squeeze at the top, and release. Now for the rope hammer curl, we're going to grab this rope right underneath the knot, because this tends to hurt people's hands sometimes, so let's just grab right underneath the knot and just really squeeze. From here, shoulder blades back and pinched, lock those elbows in, and then now let's curl up, and as we bend at the elbow joint at the top, we're gonna rotate our wrists out. So up and rotate out, keeping those elbows locked in. For the preacher curl, we're going to grab this weight right here and bring this cable back to lock the elbow in on the bench here. So I'm going to put the top of the bench in my armpit, lock my elbow in there, get a nice sturdy stance, rotate the pinky up like this, and then I'm going to curl straight up to here. For the drag curl, let's grab the weight, put the handles in our hand, step back, shoulder blades pinched. We want a nice solid back, tight core, and then we're going to pull our elbows back, palms up, and right to about the pec, and then release back down. We're dragging this weight up, squeezing the biceps at the top, and then back down. With the high cable curl, we're going to grab the weight a little higher than head high, step out, try to lock this elbow in and not move the elbow, and curl up and to the hip. So there's a slight movement up with the elbow, but we definitely don't want to come down. Keep it locked in, curl in. Now there's a quick tutorial for our cable bicep exercises. If you like the video or learn anything, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Top 5 cable bicep exercises, throw it in your routine and let me know what you think.